Hey, what's up, Snapper Heads? It is Thursday, the 8th, I believe, and off to the gun store today to go pick up my new toy. I know some of y'all get all hot and heated when we refer to these firearms as toys, but you know, for grown folk, that's what they is. I'll say tools, let's just say that. I'm gonna go pick up a new tool. Anyway, it is a beautiful day out here in Miami. According to the old magical Android device here, it's about let me see, 58 degrees. I don't know if you can, this freaking thing will show you that, but it's 58. I know some of you northern folk, for y'all it ain't that cold, but here in Miami it's effing freezing, yo. So anyway, hold on, let me flip this around. Not a dang on cloud in the sky. How you like that? It's real nice out today. Freaking gorgeous. So anywho, like I said, I'm off to go pick up my new tool, my new firearm, and I'll show you guys what that's looking like when I get back. Alright, peace.
Yup, just taking y'all with me. The camera's a little cocked to the side there so you can't see exactly in front. But you know, I guess you get a nice little side profile of what my drive to the gun store is looking like. I'm off to go pick up my new tool, like I said. I don't want anybody to get all hot and heated when I refer to it as a toy. So I know some people get their panties in a bunch over those minor infractions. Right now I'm using my I'm using my phone because I don't feel like pulling out my video camera right now. Besides, I don't have a dashboard mount. So, anywho, you're probably gonna get a shitty image from this. So, don't expect anything too great. We are now arriving at Lew's Police Supply. Let's see if maybe I can get a good shot of the front while I pull in. Nope, not gonna happen. So, alright, I'll leave you guys here. I'll be back in a hot minute, hopefully.
Alright, Snapper Heads, so there it is. Just got back from Lew's Police Supply. That's my new purchase. Hold on, let me spin that around there so you can get a good look at it. Mind you, the crappy lighting, I know it's probably gonna be a little hard to make it out, but you know, it's a Taurus. Now I know a lot of people will be ripping on Taurus, but I did my homework for a couple of days before I jumped on this one, and everybody seems to say that Taurus got it right. So, by the way, the mat under is my nephew's creation. I believe is Gurren Lagann. He's a pretty decent artist, as you can tell. So, you know, just wanted to showcase the fam's talent there. But anyway, back to this. I'm going to be doing this without a tripod, so mind you, the camera work's going to be a little bit shaky. I'm going to try to do this unboxing one-handed even. So let me spin this back around and then we'll be right back. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to open this bad boy up. And, let's take a good gander. As you can see, I haven't even taken the plastic off that bad boy. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit here and get a decent view of it and the contents inside. You know, you got your little brush right there, magazine loader, got an extra magazine. Always nice when they give you an extra magazine. Bought a 6-hour not too long ago and they only gave me one. Kind of bummed about that, but you know, Taurus seems I guess they saw fit to give you 2. Thumbs up for that. Here's your little key locking mechanism thingy. I'll probably never use that ever. And I know somewhere around here there is a extra back strap somewhere. But like I said, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's going to be a little difficult for a brother. So bear with me if you will. Alright, hold on. Let me just get the plastic wrapping off of this bad boy and we'll be back. Sorry about all the ins and outs. Okay, so it's out of the wrapping. I'm really not going to go through the whole safety check thing. I mean, you can see I just bought it, so there's nothing in it. I know I'm probably still going to get somebody's comment about, oh man, you didn't safety check it. Anybody who's bought a firearm before knows it does not come loaded from the store. So we're going to skip all of that and assume that it is safe. Anyway, let me try to get it zoomed in here a little bit. It is covered up in all this, I don't know what this is, like grease or I don't know what it is, but it's pretty dang on sticky, man. So, you know, I got to clean it up. But I will have to admit, though, it is a sexy ass gun. I really like the way this looks. Like I said, I know a lot of people are gonna gripe on Taurus. You know, you got your haters for every brand. Believe it or not, as much as people love Glock, there's people out there that don't like it. So, I mean, I'm really gonna take offense if somebody leaves me a comment about how I just wasted my money. Oh, by the way, speaking of money, I got it on sale for $350. It's a 40. I really couldn't pass that up. So, you know, here it is. I'm gonna clean her up, you know, like you're supposed to, or at least like you should do with all new firearm purchases. Take her apart, clean out all that factory crap that they put in it, you know, to keep it safe during packaging, and you know, who knows how long they're gonna sit on the shelf. So, just wanted to show you guys my new toy. Ha ha ha! I said that just to ruffle the feathers. And I'll be back maybe in a couple of days. I might go to the range today and test it out. I don't know. I gotta see. I'm probably just gonna end up going to the bar. I'll go to the range tomorrow if anything. But like I say in my other my last video about my range my range report for my AR-15, the places I frequent don't let me use any cameras or take any video or anything like that. So I'll just let you know verbally how it formed. How it performed and how it functioned. I'll put some stills of my targets just so you can get an idea of the accuracy of the gun. Mind you that while I do feel I'm a pretty good shot, the gun is only going to be as accurate as the shooter. So, you know, take that for what it's worth. So, just wanted to bring you guys along for my little adventure here. And hopefully it functions just as well for me as it did for everybody else in all the videos and on the forums that I saw. And I'm really looking forward to having a good time with this firearm. So anyway, thanks guys for your time. And I know it was a little brief, but you know, hey, what can you do? I really feel like having a beer right now. It's just a little early. Well, you guys have a good day, and see you around. Peace.